guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name's Aisa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do your eyeliner. So how to do a winged eyeliner without using an actual eyeliner. So this is for the people that want to do like them colored liners but don't have the colored liners, or if you just ran out of your own natural black liner, then this can help you guys. So if you want to see how I do and how I achieve my wing liner, definitely stay tuned, but don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And yeah, let's get right into this video. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do, I actually already have my face done, and that's because I had to step out obviously during the day. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I do have mascara on, but that doesn't really matter. We're gonna jump right into it. So my lids are obviously going to be neutral because I just want this look to be just the eyeliner, but normally I would do my eyeshadow first. In this case, I'm not doing any eyeshadow because I'm going to be doing a wing liner, and that's basically going to be like the pop and the look. So I'm basically going to show you guys how I do my eyeliner without actually using an actual eyeliner. So I do this when I want to like have a wing liner that is like colored, or when I just run out of eyeliner. And I started doing this because I ran out of my eyeliner, of course, and this method actually worked out. So I did this when I wanted like some colored liner and stuff for my looks. But basically what I'm going to be doing is using like a small flat brush like this. Well, it's actually not flat. You can actually use an angled brush or a little brush like this. The most important thing is that it is very thin. You don't want something that is thick, because if it's thick, then it's not gonna work as well to do a wing liner, because obviously you want your wing liner to be very like sharp, you know? So you see I'm even like pressing on it a little bit to make it like even thinner. But you don't have to do that because I usually never do that. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my concealer. This one is from Covergirl, and it's the Trueblend Undercover Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. So this is what it looks like. And you can also use, if you have like an eyeshadow base that's like really light, like white or something, you can also use that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to take a little bit at a time. Okay, so you see like I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, I don't think you guys can see that too well, but I kind of put a little too much on here. So I'm going to put the excess on my hand and just dab it, because you want to work very, very small. That's like the main thing, the most important thing that you want to do. So I'm dabbing a little bit, dabbing on the tip, because that's the most important. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to start. So normally I kind of just, because I don't want too much to go like on the outer part, I kind of just start in the middle. So I'm gonna go and put some here and make sure that it's fine. And you see like it's actually good. So what I'm gonna do, the way I do my wing liner, I go ahead and just kind of see how long I want it, which is about here. Okay, so now see, I didn't put enough, so I'm gonna have to add some more on my brush. But that's better. You want to not have enough rather than have too much. So I'm basically just, this is about how long I want it to be. And I'm actually going to add a little more concealer because I wasn't going hard enough. And I basically connected to the middle of my lid, if you can see. So I'm basically making a line to the middle of my lid, and then as I'm going, I'm also extending the tip a little bit. The more I go, and the more I see how long I want it to be. So that's how I start. And you just kind of work that through. So yeah, so I think this is how long I want it to be. Or do I want it to be a little longer? I normally don't do like really long wings. So now I'm going to connect this part to the bottom part. So I'm gonna go from here to the end of my eyelid basically. Okay, and then I'm just going to fill that in the middle. And I'm going to go ahead and fill the rest in. Because this wing liner is actually going to go all the way in the inside of the eye. Okay, and then you see how it's not that sharp here? I'm just going to fix that and extend it a little more. And now it's sharp. So that's basically what we wanted. You see how sharp it is? Ooh, it looks so good. And then what I'm going to do next, I'm going to take an eyeshadow palette. So you only need two things, concealer and an eyeshadow palette, and then obviously you need the brushes. And I want my concealer to be blue. I'm going to be like doing a Rihanna inspired look. So I'm going into this shade, and this palette is the Maziyah palette from Sugabee Cosmetics. Going into this shade, which is Twilight Dreams. And I'm gonna take another brush, so preferably something that's also kind of very thin, like, so I'm using this brush. So I'm just going to dab the tip of the brush. So see, I have all the powder on the tip, and I'm going to basically dab that on the line I just made. And you see how much like it pops? So you just basically keep filling in on that concealer, and that's why we use like, my concealer is pretty light because in the winter I'm like a lighter shade, and I like my under eye to be bright. But basically it also works good for eyeshadow and wing liners. So you want to start off with the middle first because that's the part that you don't really care much about. And then when you get to the wing, you want to be very, very careful. So then that's basically what the liner looks like. And you can do this with any shade. Like I've done this with black too before, because like I said, I ran out of my black eyeliner, so I had to do that with black. So anyways, we're gonna leave it like that for now, but this is basically what it looks like. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye, and we'll come back to that eye to like fix it later. So this is what it looks like. I know it's not perfect, but it's okay, we'll fix it. And I'll show you how you can fix it too. So I'm going to do the same thing with the same brush and just put that glue on. So I'm mostly patting it in and then swiping after, but you want to pat it in first and then swipe. Okay, so I'm done both of my eyes. This is what they look like, but obviously they don't look too sharp, and we're gonna fix that. This one, I feel like I could extend it. Let me extend it a little more. Okay, so because I want the ends to be like sharp, what I'm gonna do, this is like a little mini trick. You can take a Q-tip, whichever Q-tip you want, and just kind of go at the ends and just sharpen it. So that it's not so like boxy. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. So this is one side, this is the other side. And now you can go and kind of just like fix them a little bit. So I feel like this one's a little thicker here, so I'm gonna make this one a little thicker. And for this, you don't need necessarily concealer because you already have the shape. So yeah, that's basically how I achieve my eyeliner without actually using an actual eyeliner. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my makeup look and I'll be right back. So guys, I am back. I went ahead and finished up the look. I went underneath and kind of did like a cat eye thing, and I just put some on my waterline as well. And I did my lipstick, of course. I used the Sugabee Cosmetics lipstick, and this one is in the shade Act Up, so that's what I used. And for my lashes, I used the lashes from BeautybyBD lashes, and they're in the style Los Angeles. So yeah, I just did that to complete this look. If you guys know, this is the Rihanna inspired look, so I had to recreate it for myself. Let me know down below how I did, if you've seen the look obviously, and if you like it. But yeah, that's basically what my makeup looks like now. So guys, as I mentioned, this is the look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely let me know in the comment section down below if you like this look and if this video was helpful for you to do your winged liner. And definitely also comment down below what other videos you would like to see. It can be makeup, hair, fashion, lifestyle, whatever you'd like to see. Definitely comment it down below so that we can bring those videos to you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.